All right. Hey guys, hold on one second. I've got my mic coming through. I want to hear myself. All right, there we go. All right, so hi, I'm Jason. I'm one of the people in Jarvis, the Jarvis Nation, the Jarvis group on Facebook, and one of the guys from the Jarvis Writers Guild. So what I want to show you today is an article writing extension, a Jarvis extension that I've been working on to help enhance the editor inside of Jarvis. So when you download this extension, all you're going to do is unpack it, and you're going to go over to the extension screen. The way you get to this is you're going to click the little icon that looks like a puzzle piece, and you're going to go down to manage extensions. This will pop up. You could just type in Chrome : extensions. You'll get here. And then all you have to do is drag the unpacked folder over to the desktop or to the screen, and there it is. It's installed. So let me show you like this. So there it is. It's installed on the browser. Now we can go over to Jarvis, and what I'm going to do is pin this so we can see it. So I'm going to do that and grab it and pull it over the front just so we can get to it easy. And it's off. So I'm going to turn it on by clicking it. It's going to reload the page, and you're going to see two new buttons down here: count words and macros. And so what I'm going to show you first off is how to work with the macros. So what are macros? So macros are just like recipes. In fact, you can use a recipe from Jarvis and put it into the system. And the way it works is you click on macros, and I'm going to just delete this one real quick so we don't have it. But you can add a new macro. You can click the little plus icon, give it a name, new blog, whatever, and then you can start writing a template. So the templates work just like you would in a recipe. So you could start writing, write about, write X. Now, there's a faster way to do this, and that's you can copy the ones that we've put up on the site already. So what you'll do is you click on Community Macros, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to grab this one right here. And you notice there's two versions of it. You can kind of read over and see how they're written. But I'm going to click this little copy button. I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to do Control V, paste it into the template, and then click Save. Now I've got a macro, right? So how do we use this macro? When you go to inputs. Inputs are variables inside of your recipe. So you've got MC topic, MC keyword, MC output 1, output 2, output 3, or outline 1, 2, and 3. And then there's two user defines. You can use those any way you want. In fact, you can use any of these any way you want. It's however you want to use this. So in this case, I'm going to use the macro that we just copied in. And to understand what these fields are, we can go back to macros and view it and read through each line as it's written on what it's going to put into, look at that, put into Jarvis Editor. So we're going to go over to inputs, and let's go ahead and use this. So I've pre-populated these fields, right? Make sure they're saved. Go over to macros and close that, and we're going to copy this new one we just added. All it does is copy that macro with the variables now in it to the clipboard. We're going to come over to our editor, Control V. There it is. Run it like you always do. Everybody knows how to use boss mode, so just highlight your line, Control Enter, and boom, it starts writing your brief for you. Now, that's pretty cool. I love that. So let me show you the keyword tracker. So count words is down here in the bottom right hand corner. I'm gonna edit these words and delete them just because I want to show you how I get them in here. But to edit words, you can type in, roofer leads, right? Save that, and there's 3 in this document, right? But what if I want to grab all the ones that are in Surfer, right? So I'm going to go over to Surfer, and I already have this article in here, right? So I want to grab the keywords out of this list. So I'm just going to grab the first 10. So got this new button down here. I'm going to click copy keywords, they're copied to the clipboard, back over to Jarvis, and Control V, paste them in, save and count. That's it. Look at that. Now we're counting keywords that are user defined and not just the 3 in the box on the left, which is great. That's what Jarvis is looking at. But as a writer, I just kind of want to keep track of what's going on without having to go back over to Surfer, right? And then I may want to add my own key phrases to this list. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. The beta will be released really soon. Before it can hit the Chrome marketplace, I need to make sure that this is going to be the thing, right? That it's working and everybody's happy. And again, this is free, not asking for any money. Just want to give back to the Jarvis community. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Write down in the bottom. Tell me what you think. Comments. Talk to you later. Bye.